Exercise 5.6 asks us to calculate the units sold to attain a target profit under each of the two methods described in the book. Part 1 of this exercise 5.6 asks for us to calculate break-even using the equation method, which yields the required unit sales. As you can see, the equation method, we use Q as the unknown, that being the quantity of units needed to break even. Personally, I don't care whether you use the equation method or the formula method. Either method is okay. This problem really just tries to illustrate each of the two ways that you can calculate the amount of units you need to sell to achieve a particular target profit. I know I said break even earlier, I meant target profit. Part 1, the target profit was $6,000. That is set up as profit equals the unit contribution margin times quantity minus the fixed expenses. In this situation, $6,000 equals the unit contribution margin, which is the sales price of $140 less the variable cost of $60, multiplied by Q, less the $40,000 of fixed cost. The $6,000 equals 80Q, which is the contribution margin multiplied by the quantity, less $40,000. When you solve for Q, alright, you basically you have 80Q equals 46,000. You then solve for Q and you divide 46,000 by 80. You end up with 575 units. Alright, that is the target profit needed to achieve a 6,000. That is the amount of units that need to be sold to achieve the target profit of 6,000. Part 2 asks for the target profit, or the units that need to be sold to achieve the target profit of $8,000. Here we use the formula approach. I like this approach better. I think it's just a little bit simpler. The target profit of $8,000 plus the fixed cost of $40,000 divided by the unit contribution margin. You end up with a numerator of $48,000 divided by $80 per unit. Stipulates that you need to sell 600 units to achieve a target profit of $8,000. This does it for our explanation of exercise 5.6.